So guys, we are going to clean this data. So for this, you have to select the first cell here and go to data tab. Then select the text to column and select this delimited option. Click next, and here we have to separate the columns. So here, see, as you can see, store name is given Delhi. Then after that, product name is given sportswear. In between that, there is a column. So this thing we have to separate. So for this, we will check mark the column option. As you can see, this will separate all the things, and click finish. Click OK, and we will now we will select the whole data. Control plus A. Then after this, click Alt plus HOI. It will manage the space, and after this, again select the data, all data. Then you have to replace this thing. Then go to home tab here, and here you can see find and select option. Click and click on replace. So here you have to here we have to replace this column. Okay, for this, find what we have to find the column option, and no need to replace with something. Direct click replace all. It will replace the columns, and click close. So as you can see, the columns are placed and everything is fine, but the dates. So for this, for writing dates, it is in the value. You can see here it's counting 8. So for this, there is a formula is equal to date value. Then select the date, close the bracket, and hit enter, and it will give you the date number, that is this. And here select, for this you have to copy, Ctrl plus C, then go to here, then right click and paste special value. For here you will check mark the value option, as if you check this, the value will remain same. It will not be dependent on other value. Click mark OK. So then again, control shift plus down, then control X and control V. So as you can see that we have got the date numbers. Now select all the rows and go to general. If you go here, you can see this has been changed. So we want short date also, long date also. So for this, I will select short date, and here we go. You can see now for formatting, here I will go this in bold, and I will give light color also. Yeah. So the data is being clean, as you can see. All the data is being clean. Thanks for watching.